Top 8 Healthy Seeds You Should Eat Every Day. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 seeds that are common and easy to find in everyday grocery stores. You might not think these little things have the power they do, but don't knock it until you try it, because this tiny seed packs a punch for your health. Number 1, Chia Seeds, Salvia hispanica. The chia seed is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in nutrients, phytonutrients, that our ancestors ate daily but have been forgotten very recently. Also, chia seeds are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3s, which help lower inflammation in the body. You can eat them right out of the bag or mix them up with any combination. Number 2, Flax Seeds. Flaxseed is also a powerful anti-inflammatory that will help keep your body healthy and pain-free. Also, because flaxseed is rich in fiber and omega-3s, it helps lower blood sugar levels. Flaxseed is also a powerful anti-inflammatory that will help keep your body healthy and pain-free. Also, because flaxseed is rich in fiber and omega-3s, it helps lower blood sugar levels. Number 3, Hemp Seeds. Hemp seeds are the most nutritionally dense food source known to man. It's also a very good source of essential fatty acids. If you want to be healthy, eat hemp seeds every day. Like flaxseed, hemp seeds are commonly used for omega-3s and fiber. The great thing about these is you can mix them into anything. You can add it to any smoothie, salad, or even add it to your favorite cereal in the morning. Number 4, Poppy Seeds. Poppy seeds are also known as couscous in Hindi and Urdu, which means very healthy and delicious. Poppy seeds are high in protein, potassium, and calcium. They also contain magnesium, iron, calcium, and phosphorus. You need to add these seeds to your diet immediately because they have both anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help you. Number 5, Sunflower Seeds. Sunflower seeds are an incredibly nutrient-dense food. They contain a great amount of manganese, copper, magnesium, selenium, phosphorus, and B vitamins like niacin. These seeds also have a high amount of dietary fiber, which can help lower cholesterol. Number 6, Sesame Seeds. Sesame seeds are one of the most nutritious seeds with a wide range of health benefits, ranging from improved immunity to relief from stress and anxiety. Sesamum indicum, commonly known as fennel-flowering sesame or Nala Arakanga in Tamil Nadu, is an annual herb grown in the tropics of India and Southeast Asia. Number 7, Pumpkin Seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with a good amount of vitamin E, zinc, manganese, phosphorus, monounsaturated fats, and omega-6 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds also contain protein, B vitamins, magnesium, copper, and potassium. Number 8, Quinoa Seeds. Quinoa is often mistaken as whole grains. These seeds can be considered as one of the healthiest seeds. Quinoa is loaded with an impressive amount of minerals like magnesium, iron, calcium, and more. Key health benefits: improves blood pressure, helps prevent cancer due to the high amounts of antioxidants found in it, contains omegas 3 and 6 that can help reduce inflammation. Thank you for watching.